We got our Copperhead 60 off-road package rolling out shop today, guys. Going on man Joseph. Let's check it out before she leaves. Like I said, our Copperhead 60, guys, that is our octagon design. We got copper hinges and handles as far as the eye can see. On the inside, we've got not one but two sliding trays. The bottom and top rack, that is standard. Now this is a reverse flow smoker, so we got removable reverse flow plates down there. 1-inch ball valve grease drain. TMG Pitts Tell True thermometers, of course. He did upgrade to the stainless steel front shelf. That's a great option to add. Step around to the hot box. Now he did get the extra large hot box, so we got over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box alone. Still our same setup that runs independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. We got a removable plate with daisy wheels down in there, so you can actually get direct fire in the hot box as well. Makes it very versatile. And come around to the firebox. He did get our insulated firebox. Fire magnet cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Step around to the back side here. He did get a rear folding shelf. Stainless steel, of course. So that folds up, prep off of it, serve off of it. Finished it off with a fold down stack. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pitts, Knoxville, Tennessee.